And we begin now at 6 with some new details surrounding the death of Celeste Rivas. A judge has ordered certain information about this case to be sealed. Good evening once again, everyone. I'm Colleen Williams.
And I'm Annabelle Sedano in for Michael Brownlee. This latest move comes while detectives continue to investigate how the teenager's body ended up in the front trunk of a Tesla owned by the pop singer David.
Our investigative reporter Eric Leonard has been following the story from the beginning. He joins us live from the newsroom with this update. Eric.
Right. This has to do with the examination of her remains and any new information that comes from testing and lab work at the LA County Coroner's Office. Keep in mind that office is independent of the police and until last week had kept some details of this case out in public in a database that anyone could search. The now tells us it removed that entry for the Celeste Rivas Hernandez death after it received a court order late last week. The order instructed the coroner's office to put a security hold or a seal on this information while the cause, manner, and timing of Rivas's death remains under investigation. The LAPD confirms it asked for this court order so detectives would learn any new information first and then have time to pursue any leads that came from it before that information was shared with the public. Rivas's remains, you'll remember, were found in September inside the trunk of a Tesla sedan owned by the singer David after the car was impounded and brought to a tow yard in Hollywood. A senior law enforcement official told NBC4 Investigates last week detectives now consider the singer David, whose legal name is David Burke, a suspect in Rivas's death. The official says it appeared Rivas died sometime in the spring, and more than one person may have been involved in the disposal of her body. As of last week, when this case was still on the public docket, the medical examiner had not announced how Rivas died, when she died, or whether the death appeared to be accidental or intentional. Those findings will be very important if the LAPD determines it was a criminal act and they decide to make an arrest or arrests. If Rivas died last spring, experts we've talked with tell us the long delay before her body was found could make it extremely difficult to know for certain how she died. I'm investigative reporter Eric Leonard, NBC4 News.